Hello everyone, it's Christy from Christy's Beautiful Life. Welcome to Build a Page for the month of April. I'm really excited for this one. I had to skip last month with it, 30 days sketches, being on vacation, all of that. But I am back, and we are all back because we are using a bingo board to create our page kits. So we all have the same bingo board. There were no rules about how we had to use it. So I am hoping it is popped up here for you to see. 5 rows by 5 rows, and I'm not sure if I'm going to play nicely and follow like a row, or I'm going to just pick from each one. I don't know. I haven't decided how I'm going to go about it. So we're going to see. I have some photos in mind for this. 2 of them being from vacation from last month. We went to this really awesome butterfly museum-y place. I can't think of what you call it right now, but it's really fun. And if you're ever on Vancouver Island by Victoria, I highly recommend you go check it out. And it was really fun, but there's a flamingo there, and my daughter loves flamingos. Like, it is her favorite animal. So I tried to grab a photo of it, and we just had a lot of fun. Sean and I walking around looking at the butterflies, and there were some really cool birds, parrots and stuff. So it was just a really neat time. So I've got those 2 photos to scrap. I also have my daughter's birthday. So her birthday was at the end of the month, last month in March, and she's 6. So I have these cute photos of her in a mermaid balloon and a big rainbow 6 and all sorts of fun stuff. So those I know for sure I'd like to try and get combined with the board. I have it on a phone for me to read, so I get them right. And I thought we'd start off today building 2 page kits with those photos in mind. And what I came across was the Just Saying by Rosie Studios. This is something I had purchased through Scrapbook Your Joy when she was around, but I love it. And it's got kind of that tropical vibe, which will work for my photos from the flamingos, but it also has a bit of a birthday vibe to it with these cute little hats, birthday hats and stuff. So we'll see, but that's kind of my plan, is to build 2 page kits off of that, and then we will see what we have left over and what we're going to go with. So to start off with, I actually think I'm going to skip the first row, and I think I'm going to go by rows. So as you can look at that, it says two photos, use scraps, florals, pastels, or pale colors, and tags or taps. I'm going to skip that one today, and instead we're going to do that flamingo embellishment, mixed media, geometric shapes, acrylic pieces, and stamping. So I don't stamp, which is going to make it interesting. We're going to have to use a date stamp and kind of cheat that way because I'm not a stamper. But I think we can make this work. I don't know how I'm going to tie in that geometric shape either, but we will get it figured out. So that's going to be the first one. Obviously, that's going to be with the photo of the flamingo. And that means I probably should pull out, let's see here. This is just a really fun collection. I know that I have that kind of tropical pattern paper in here somewhere. So we need to pull that out. I don't think I've used this on something. I can tell because I've done some trimming. I'm just not sure what. We're gonna have to use that for Nora's birthday. Maybe we'll have to do it with her cake. Here it is. Okay, so I know I want to use this piece of pattern paper because it's got that vibe from where we were. I think, let's see what goes with it here. Got numbers, which will go good for her birthday. I'm liking these 2 together, so we'll pull those 2. I'm liking the numbers to go with the cake for her birthday, so we might do both of these at the same time. Let's have a look here. Let's have a look. I don't think I need this one. Don't need that one. am wondering if a pink would be good for bordering papers, like my photos and stuff. I might pull this one in for that. I love this as a background. Just not sure. I'm just not sure that I want it to be for one of these, so save that one. I'm not sure that I want the orange to be used. The blue kind of has like a confetti feel to it, so maybe we'll pull that for her birthday one. And let's see here. Orange. I'm wearing green and Sean's wearing I might pull that one, thinking not the yellow. Okay, we'll pull that blue for her birthday one. We're not gonna do the yellow. We don't need another smaller print because we've got a lot of small prints going on. Now, the pink is a good option because we have to tie in the flamingo, which I don't think is in this collection. I have to grab it from something. So we'll pull that pink. I don't think we need that. So, okay, we have the papers. Now we have to figure out if there's a design I have to fit in and where we're gonna go with that. So let me pull this back up. I wish things would just stay on. Okay, so for her birthday one, we're gonna do a cut file, stickers, bright and bold, a grid design, and chipboard. All right, so I will have to make this into a grid design in some way, somehow. That's okay, we'll figure that out. That makes that part easy for the design. I need to think of a geometric shape, I guess. And yeah, acrylic pieces, which I don't have. This is gonna be really interesting. Well, stickers are gonna be easy because I can pull in these stickers so I can, and they're chipboard. So I've got the chip part on here pretty well. I'm probably going to use that little birthday cake one. This hip hip hooray I'll try and get used for her. This one I'll probably put into here, but I'm gonna, so I've got the chipboard taken care of for that one. So chipboard, grid design will do, that's fine. I need a cut file. We've got the bright and bold, and I need stickers. So I'll probably end up adding one of those in there. So we've got the stickers. And then the ephemera. Over here, I need florals. 2 photos, which is fine. I've got the photos. Oh no, I'm doing the wrong thing. I need mixed media, acrylic pieces, and stamping. I am just going to keep these pieces. Okay, there's lots of fun pieces, so I'm just going to keep these pieces together, and we'll do the one layout, and then we'll just transfer everything over to the next layout, and it will be all good because we'll have everything together. So that's easy enough. I need to look at, what am I going to do for a cut file? Ooh. Okay. I'll be back in a minute. I'm going to do a little searching and we're going to see what we can come up with. Okay, I found some stuff, but funny story. I went looking for my flamingos and I don't know where they are. So I'm sure if I go into a summer collection, I will find some flamingos. It's all good. We'll get that added into this. If not, I will cut a cut file of a flamingo. Okay, so for this one, for the flamingo, we'll figure that out. Mixed media, I grabbed a butterfly stencil. I'm not sure if I'm going to focus in just on the flamingo or if I'm going to focus all and do it all on one. I don't know. But I did grab this butterfly stencil and I'll use my mixed media. I'm obviously not going to put it in this because I don't want it to spill. But I've got that on there so I can check that one off. We have geometric shapes. I pulled this cut file, but I also have this. So I'm not sure. I think I'm probably going to use that. I think I'll probably use this in the background and do something. So I'm not sure, but I grabbed both just in case. I don't know. I also struggled with, I lost it. The geometric, no, we did geometric. The acrylic. What I found was I got this really fun advent calendar from Chadney for Christmas, and there is an acrylic in here that says sweet. So I actually don't own a ton of acrylic. However, Chadney is starting to make them, which means I'll probably start having a lot of it. But I'm going to pull out this sweet because it does, I think, match the vibe with these colors. So my title will probably have the word sweet in there somewhere. And then my stamping, I grabbed my roller date stamp. I'm going to leave that out of this as well. I don't want it to kind of, you know, make anything dirty, but we'll do a roller date stamp to get that in there. And then I just happened to, as I was searching through, I have some fabric butterflies and wood veneer butterflies and these really fun wood veneer tropical leaves. So that does that for this one. I'll get those photos printed when I'm creating this. I don't have the photos yet, but that will take care of that kit. For the other one, I need to pull up my thing that I lost. Hold on. We're all professionals. Using my kids. So this is my old phone, but my kids use it now. So what do we have? So for a cut file, I grabbed this really fun one that has all these fun little words that I thought would work really well. How I'm gonna get a grid design in yet, I haven't figured out yet, but we're gonna get there. We have the stickers because we have the puffy stickers and the chipboard stickers, which also are chipboard, so that's great. We have the theme of bright and bold with the papers that we picked. This one's bright and bold, so that's great. And yeah, I think we got it all. I also grabbed these wood veneer that are happy birthday themed, just in case I can get that added as well. All right, guys, that is going to do it for today's. And tomorrow we are going to build, or maybe not tomorrow, I'll probably get this up this afternoon. This afternoon, we're going to do the other 3 rows. And yeah, this is really fun. It's quite challenging. I'm excited to see what comes out layout wise with this because yeah, it's a bit challenging. I hope you enjoyed. Please make sure you check out everyone else to see how they are using the bingo card for their kits. Barrett's saying hi here. We have Kristen and Moira and Shannon, Jen and Sheila to go check out. So please make sure you do that, and I will see you guys later on this afternoon. Bye everyone.